Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my sugar scrub as well as my shea butter mix that I had in a previous skincare video. If you guys haven't checked out that video, then I'll go ahead and leave it in the description box. And if you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. Okay, so for the sugar scrub, I'm going to be using raw cane sugar, or you can use brown sugar. I'm also going to be using tea tree oil, half a lime, or you can use lemon, and then I'm also going to be using turmeric oil. You can use turmeric powder, but I chose to use turmeric oil just because, as you know, turmeric powder can stain. And also what I forgot to show you guys was that I'm also going to be using honey. So in this glass bowl, I have about 1.5 cups of sugar. You can always double it up or use half of the ingredients, it doesn't matter. With this I just kind of eyeball it, but some of you guys do like exact measurements, so I'm going to try my best to give you guys exact measurements. So I have 1.5 cups of brown sugar or raw sugar in this glass bowl, and then I put about, I want to say 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, and then I squeezed half a lime into the glass bowl as well. So now I'm just going to mix everything up to see if it is the consistency that I am looking for, which it is. So I don't need to add any more lime or need to add any more sugar to it. But if you want it to be a little bit more thicker and less runny, then you could definitely add more sugar to the mix if you want to. But I like the consistency that it's at right now. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour a few drops of tea tree oil into the mix as well. I put about, I want to say, a good 20 drops of tea tree oil. And then after that, I put about a good tablespoon of the turmeric oil. So I use this scrub every day, either in my morning shower or my nighttime shower. I definitely don't want to overdo it with the scrubbing, so I either pick the morning or the nighttime depending on how I feel, but I do use it every day. So that is pretty much it when it comes to the body scrub. I feel like it's very simple as well as effective. So this scrub has helped to reduce dark marks on my body as well as helped with ingrown hairs. So I would definitely recommend this scrub. You should try it, and if you do decide to try it, let me know how it worked out for you. So now I'm going to be showing you guys this shea butter mix that I used in the video as well. And I love me some shea butter. It's very moisturizing to the skin, and also, as you know, one of the many great properties of shea butter is to help reduce dark marks, which is one of my skin problems that I have. So I really love using shea butter. The shea butter that I got in this video I got from Marshall's, but I'll go ahead and leave all the ingredients and where I got everything down in this description box, so just check that out and let's get into it. So as I said before, I did get this shea butter from Marshall's, and as you can see, it was $6.99, and I'm going to be using coconut oil as well as olive oil, turmeric oil, and I'm going to be using lemon essential oil. So I'm just going to mix everything in this empty shea butter container. So I went ahead and put the shea butter into some warm water and just let it melt. And I'm going to use about 3/4 cup of shea butter. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the mix, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil to the shea butter mix. Now I'm just going to mix all the oils together before I add my other 2 oils into it. And the other 2 oils I'm going to add is going to be a few drops of the lemon essential oil. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the turmeric oil.
What we do here is go back.
So after I mixed all the oils together, I'm just going to place the container on it, and I'm going to place it into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, just so that way it can get solid a lot quicker. And if you want to, you can put it into a mixer or use a hand mixer to make it into a whipped shea butter, but I didn't do that this time around. I'm just giving you guys an example of if you were to use like a mixer, how it would turn out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.